Hi guys, welcome to the short video about transactions on the VeChainThor blockchain, and this was actually because I wanted to move some SHA safe haven token around, and I had them on the VeChainThor wallet. I mean, that was mandatory. It was from an ICO, not much, just a small amount, but I had to move it here, and I thought, okay, now they are here, now I can move them to an exchange, but yeah, that was not so easy. Yeah, when I went to the wallet and wanted to enter the destination wallet of my exchange, it came up with this message. So what does it mean, and what do we have to make sure? And so this is a little bit about the VeChainThor blockchain and about safe haven. Yeah, I was then contacting the exchange, I was contacting the safe haven forum, and it was surprisingly difficult to get a real answer what to do. Some people were just a little bit guessing around, and yeah, maybe you can try something, yeah, maybe you're safe, yeah, you shouldn't do that, and that's crazy. And I thought, yeah, that's insane. I mean, that shouldn't be so difficult. I mean, usually in the past it was either its own blockchain or it was an Ethereum token, but usually we didn't have to deal with something else. But looks like there are also other blockchains with tokens, and the safe haven is something like that. And so what do we have to make sure when we are transferring something like the safe haven from the Thor, like VeChainThor blockchain, or the Thor wallet? So the thing is, on this VeChainThor wallet, when you have token like here, I mean, you can see all these pictures. They have the VeChain, they have the VTHO. That's the thing for holding. I mean, that's when you have some VET for a longer time, you will be credited some VTHO. This is like gas for Ethereum. You need that for transfers, and there are some tokens here, and one of them are the SHA. That's the safe haven. In my case, that was this one. So if you have something like that, it looks like really when you want to transfer this to like an exchange or other wallet, you have to make sure that the destination is on VeChain as well. So it's not Ethereum. Maybe they were on the Ethereum before, I can't remember that. Yeah, probably that was some Ethereum token. Maybe they have moved to VeChainThor. I can't remember that, but it's definitely not Ethereum anymore. The addresses look pretty much the same. It's an 0x something. So yeah, usually we have been used to that. When it's the 0x, then it's Ethereum. No, definitely it's not anymore. We cannot be sure. You can see this is 0x. So it looks like they are just using a similar wallet addresses, but we have to make sure that the destination wallet is not Ethereum, but VeChainThor blockchain. And this is why we got this message. So how does it work? I have a sample here from KuCoin. And yeah, I have been asking their support there how it is with the safe haven there, and they confirmed that the safe haven on KuCoin is on the VeChain VET. Okay, that makes sure when you copy, like when you have an account there on KuCoin or any other exchange, make sure that it's on the VeChain, and when they confirm it's on VeChain, you can go to the wallet here and make the transfer. The only thing is what's a little bit a pain, that's because you need VTHO. That's the thing which you need for the transfer. And yeah, so when you're not holding VeChain token, yeah, you cannot get these things for free. So that means you have to buy them. So here we have the VeChain coins here, like on coin market cap. So it has nothing to do with this one. We have to really buy this VeChainThor token this one here, if you are not holding this thing and you are not rewarded, and you want to make a transfer, you need to buy these things. And here we have some market pairs. You can see where you can buy that on OceanX, Binance, and so on. If you have already an account on one of these exchanges, you can buy these VTHO and then transfer it to the VeChainThor wallet. Make sure that you're using the right wallet address from here. Yeah, you can transfer this here, and only after that you can transfer the VeChainThor tokens back to the exchange where you want to sell it or hold it there, or whatever you want to do that. So it's a little bit a pain to have this to do this back and forth thing. So what's really disappointing here, what I think, is that we cannot buy the VTHO here. I would have expected at least that we can buy this here, instead of just getting this silly answer when we want to make the transfer that they are saying insufficient balance. So you really have to go like to Binance and buy the things and transfer it to the Thor wallet, and only then we can make the transfer. And then probably we have too much or not enough, and then we have to make another transfer, or there is something left. And yeah, it's a little bit of pain. I mean, it's disappointing, so much effort for just a couple of dollars, but it is as it is. I just wanted to share my experience with you. If you're in the same situation, if you want to transfer some VeChainThor token, or maybe specifically also the safe haven, so this is the process which you have to go. And yeah, that's it for now, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, maybe there's an easier way, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.